Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share my mom's hair repair mask that will help treat even the most dry damaged hair. At home, if bananas get overripe or spotty, my mom will never discard them. She'll use them to make this hair repair mask. This mask is super conditioning, and once you use it, you'll immediately see the difference in the texture of your hair. It'll be soft, shiny and silky. All my mom's beauty remedies involves only common kitchen ingredients and they really work their magic, and this mask is no different. If you've done chemical hair treatments, use heat on your hair regularly, spend lot of time out in the sun, live in a very polluted city, or if your hair is extremely dry and frizzy, you'll greatly benefit using this pack. The first ingredient we need for the pack is a ripe banana. The riper the banana, the better. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamins that will help soften, strengthen, nourish, and add moisture to our hair and scalp. I love Morris variety banana, so I have used that. But you can use any ripe banana that you have at home. I have used half a ripe banana for this recipe. Increase the quantity depending on the length of your hair. The second ingredient we need is coconut milk. Coconut milk is super nourishing and hydrating. When we apply coconut milk to hair in the form of hair pack, it does 5 things. It conditions the hair and scalp, promotes hair growth, arrests hair fall, and treats split ends and dandruff. For the hair pack, try to use thick coconut milk. To extract coconut milk, take grated coconut in a mixer along with little amount of water. Grind coarsely and take it in a strainer. Press with a spoon to extract the thick coconut milk. The final ingredient we need is coconut oil. We all know how beneficial coconut oil is for our hair. From conditioning our hair to promoting hair growth, coconut oil does wonders to our hair. We always grind our own coconut oil at home, and my mom always uses only that. Try to use virgin coconut oil or unrefined coconut oil for best results. To make the pack, take a ripe banana, peel the skin and take it in a cup. I have used about half a ripe banana in this recipe. Now add in a tablespoon of thick coconut milk to it. Finally, add in a tablespoon of coconut oil too. Now grind this to a smooth paste without adding any water in a mixer. To use, apply this pack all over the hair and scalp. We usually leave it on for about half an hour. After half an hour, wash it off with a mild shampoo and condition your hair as usual. After using this pack, your hair will be super shiny and soft. This pack does not store well, and I would suggest making it fresh each time. If your hair is very damaged, I would suggest using this pack twice a week. Else use it weekly once to keep your hair smooth, soft and shiny. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.